today I am going to show you the third lesson, and today I will explain you how to control the students. But fast review for the last class. In last class we learned about the scheduling. So we clicked on the calendar and we fill all these things, the subjects and also the dates. Location is optional. You can description describe the class. Okay, so now today we will learn about how to control the class. So this is very important because sometimes the students do some mistakes and they shout, they disturb the others. So there is a meeting option on the top. You will click on the meeting option. Once you click on the meeting options, so this window will come, and from here you can see who can bypass the lobby, leave it everyone, who can present. You will make it only me, so you are the one who can control the class. So the other students will not disturb the other students. They cannot kick them out, they cannot close the mics for the others. And this option you can get after sending the schedule. So click on OK. So that's it. So this is the first thing, meeting options, what we learned now. Now the second thing, how to call the students. Now this is very important thing. If you want to cancel the meeting, you can cancel from here, cancel series, and here cancel series. So how to call the students? Now again we will go to the meeting. Okay, now we will go again, dismiss. We will click on the teams again, click on team, and once we click on the team, so again we will come on the same window what we saw before. So suppose we take 7, this one 7A. So but in 7A I don't think so there are the members, so we will take 7 IT, this one. Once we click on the class, you will find this window. In this window I made the conversation with my students before. So down you will see there are many options like the format, attachment, faces, GIF, and there is one important option, recording, this one, meet now. So once you click on meet now, so means you are calling to the students. If you want to add the subject, you can add the subject, suppose it's IT class or whatever. And after the subject, after adding subject, I don't want the subject, so after that I will click on meet now. Once I click on meet now, that's mean I am calling to my team. I am in grade 7 IT, so I am going to call them. And once I click, you can on or you can off the camera. There are two options, and once you click on meet now, so means you off the camera and you are calling now, means only they will listen, they will not see you. So now see, for now only I am here in the class, these are my members but they are not available. So you can see there are many options down. Recording, from here again you can turn on the camera or turn on the mic or mute the mic. That one, this is sharing. Now once you click on it, so you will see all the windows on your computer what you are using. This is the first window, desktop. It's connect from your smart board. When you plug all the cables for the smart boards, so the students will be able to see your smart board, and whatever you are doing on the board they can see. You are showing the video or you are doing anything on the smart board, they will be able to see. And also there are many windows, the PowerPoint, Windows, Google Chrome, if I go down, so I see many windows what I am using, so I can share any of the window with them, so that window will go on their screen. Okay, these three dots, this is also a very important part of the Teams. uh, from here you can record your class. Once you click here, so start recording, once you click on start recording, that means you are recording your video, and you can send anyone to your managers or directors or anyone or your colleagues. So for now there are no students, so that's why um, this I will not start the recording. But once I start the recording will be start, and when I finish the class, so there will be option stop recording. I will stop the recording. From here I will hang up. I will finish the call. Again here on the students you can see there, you can ask them to join their class, so they can know you are here and they can join. For now, so these are not available, so that's why it's not coming. So one by one you can ask them to join, or when you will connect, so they will know automatically, and once you call them, so everyone will be alert. Or if you make the schedules on that time, they will be